I welcome all the newly appointed members of the Parliament in the Bangsamoro Transition Authority who have taken their oath today. Nakataya ang inyong mga pangalan at ang pag-asa ng ating mga kababayan sa inyong sinumpaang tungkulin. Huwag nating makakalimutan na inyong tungkulin ay para sa isang mas makatarungan at mas maunlad na Bangsamoro. With you at the helm, I am confident that you will continue to prove that the implementation of every single signed agreement is a step towards long-lasting peace. It is our shared responsibility to protect these gains and to ensure its uninterrupted advancement. Let not our diversity and difference be a hindrance to our solidarity. Let us remember that at the center of our national identity is a common thread that binds us, our longing for peace and for progress. Naway sa bawat tungkulin na ating ginagampanan, lagi nating isa sa buhay ang taglay ng mga katangian ng bagong Pilipino. Bagong Pilipino na may disiplina, may husay, at higit sa lahat, may pagmamahal sa bansa.